Today we're going to be showing you guys how to take off your car or truck emblems. This is a heat gun. This is really the only way I've ever heard of doing it is heating the adhesive up first. This one specifically is a two heat. If you don't want it too hot, you're worried about messing up your paint. Dental floss. Usually you use fishing wire, but anything thin and that you can get a good hold on will get you through that adhesive on there. And then we got some Goo Gone. I'm going to leave a little residue back when it dries up. So this is what we're going to use to get that off. The one tool you're going to need is a scraper. I like to use a plastic one because if you use metal, you're at high risk of damaging your paint. You do not want to do that, guys. That's going to cost you a lot for just an ugly badge you're trying to take off. And so get a plastic scraper and a nice microfiber rag to put over it. Get your heat gun. I'm going to turn on the lower heat and just start heating it up kind of gradually. Just stay over the letters. That's where the adhesive is. And as you can see in this video, you're going to want to take your fishing line or dental floss, whatever you have, and you're going to outline the letters. So I have like an M on mine because I have a ram. So I took the top, I pushed it forward, and I went back with the one, and I followed the letters. You don't want to try to pry it off and end up damaging your paint. That's what the number one thing you're not going to want to do is do this too fast, too hard, because your paint, its life is at risk here. You're going to end up with something you don't want to see. We're heating it up again because my truck is 20 years old, so the adhesive is on there really good. And it's stubborn to get off. So we're going to heat this up as much as we can. And now that it's all heated up, we're going to take our fishing line, run it through there. All right, guys, now we're going to take our Goo Gone. As you can see, this is quite a bit of adhesive that left. So we're going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Get a nice coat on there. You're going to get like a flat scraper. Put a towel on it so you don't damage your paint. I like to hold it tight. And then you can go at it. And if you have any left, just keep repeating. You might need to heat it up again. Just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. And just like that, you should have all your badges, all the adhesive, all the gunk off of there, and your truck is going to look slick. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and go check out our other videos. You can subscribe here or check out our videos here, and we'll see you guys next time.